Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to send money on Revolut. Revolut is a great app for sending and receiving money, and it's easy to use. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to send money to someone quickly and easily? Maybe you're splitting a bill with friends, or you need to pay for a service. If so, then Revolut is the perfect app for you. Revolut is a mobile banking app that allows you to send and receive money from anywhere in the world. You can also use Revolut to pay for things online and in stores. Revolut is available in over 30 countries, and it's used by millions of people around the world. What details does someone need to send you money on Revolut? In order to send you money on Revolut, the person will need to know your Revolut username. This is the same username that you use to log into your Revolut app. Revolut email address. This is the same email address that you use to create your Revolut account. Revolut phone number. This is the same phone number that you use to create your Revolut account. Revolut currency. This is the currency that you want the money to be sent in. Once the person has your information, they can open the Revolut app and select Send Money. They will then need to enter your Revolut username, email address, phone number, and currency. They will also need to enter the amount of money that they want to send. Once the person has entered all of the information, they can click on the Send button. The money will then be sent to your Revolut account. How to receive money on Revolut. If you want to receive money on Revolut, you will need to provide the person with your Revolut username, email address, phone number, and currency. You can also share your Revolut payment request link with them. Once the person has your information, they can open the Revolut app and select Send Money. They will then need to enter your Revolut username, email address, phone number, and currency. They will also need to enter the amount of money that they want to send. Once the person has entered all of the information, they can click on the Send button. The money will then be sent to your Revolut account. Additional tips. You can also send money to someone on Revolut using their phone number or email address. You can send money to someone in any currency that Revolut supports. You can set up a Revolut business account to send and receive money for your business. You can use Revolut to pay for things online and in stores. You can use Revolut to withdraw cash from ATMs around the world. Revolut is a great app for sending and receiving money. It's easy to use, and it's available in over 30 countries. If you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to send money, Revolut is a great option. If you're interested in learning more about Revolut, please click on the link below. You can also download the Revolut app from the App Store or Google Play. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.